Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this 2021 Hyundai Tucson Urban Edition. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 9 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Looking in the hatch, you have lots of cargo space, including a 12-volt power adapter and your top tethers for car seats on the back seats. Moving into the interior, you have your panoramic sun and moon roof, power adjustable leather seats. On the dash is your blind spot awareness, lane departure warning, and center diff lock. On the steering wheel is your hands-free audio and adaptive cruise control. This car is currently sitting at 21,787 kilometers. You have a nice large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go. This nice carbon fiber along the dash. Climate controls along with heated steering wheel and heated front seats. Your charge and power ports, as well as your drive mode select. Now for the back seats, you have heated back seats, as well as cargo nets in the back of the passenger and driver side front seats. 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center, as well as a great view of the panoramic sun and moon roof. Thank you for watching this walk around video of the 2021 Hyundai Tucson Urban Edition. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where our sales team will happily show you around.